play my personal favorite game, Covens versus Wilds. Look at your badges, and you'll see if you're a Coven witch or a Wild witch. Coven witches, you have 20 minutes to capture every Wild witch. If you succeed, everyone on your team gets a ribbon. Wild witches, you may earn a ribbon.
An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Allen County Sheriff is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Liliana Hernandez is a 7-year-old white female, 3 feet 4 inches tall with long brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black nightgown. Renee Pastor is a 6-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, short brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing black shorts. The children were last seen at 6:21 a.m. in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. The Allen County Sheriff believes the children were likely abducted by their non-custodial mother, Amber Pastor, a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 250 pounds, with long blonde hair. Suspect vehicle is a Mercury Mystique, tan in color. If you have any information on these children, contact the Allen County Sheriff at 260-449-7661.
So, I heard there's this one kid who's been coming here for years.
Yeah, that's Rain, my classmate. Somehow they always have the best juice, and they don't share it with anyone.
I heard they're one of the strongest witches here, and they're a bard. Crazy, right?
Not really. Bard magic can be cool.
If we take them out, the rest should be a breeze. You with us?
We'll take that as a yes.